Everyone, welcome back. So, guys, in this session, I will create a utils package, or you can say utils folder, and this is the one of the core part of the framework. Okay, so guys, this is really helpful for your framework to reuse your code. So basically, in the utils, we will write a reusable function, and if you will explain, you have created some utils classes. Inside these util classes, we have a function. Okay, then really this is what the core part of the framework you are going to implement. Okay, so I will create one folder. Okay, and this folder will create as a folder level, means project level. So I'll create a one folder, new folder, and this folder name is utils. Okay, utils. So folder names is u once again utils folder. So you can see I will create some couple of utils as of now. Later I will keep adding the utils files or functions as per the project requirement. Okay, so I will create the first file that is called, we have to do validation, right? And every test cases assertion is required, and this is again repeated. Okay, this will repeat. Okay, this will repeat this code in all the test cases. So I'll create assert. Okay, helper.js. Okay, so I have created one utils file that is called assert.helper. Inside this assert, we will start to write some couple of you know function. So first function. Okay, so first of all we will import. Okay, so I'm going to import first playwright module. Okay, aspect. So I have to use here aspect, means aspect package from, and now here I will define this playwright test. Okay, so the first function we will use export async. So I'm going to create a function. These are the, I'm just going to use some example as of now. Later, as per the project requirement, you have to add it. Okay, text. Okay, and we will pass two parameter, locator and locator and one second, locator. Okay, comma expected. So I'm passing two parameter here. Okay, locator and expected, and await expect. So here I will say locator, um, locator one second, locator. Okay, locator, and we will use to have text. Okay, to have text, and this is your expected one. Okay, so let me save this, and getting some error. What this error is, export async function. One second. Okay, I think some spelling mistake. Okay, so now this error gone. Okay, so now guys I will, so guys, if you know the basics, this all the things will become very easy for you. If you don't know the basics, it's a very difficult to understand. Okay, so basics is very important. Async, async function. So I'll create another you know assertion. Okay, so this assertion assert URL. So how to validate the URL? Okay, so I will pass here again two parameter. So we have a page parameter and I will pass value parameter. Then after that a weight, then aspect, then page, then we have a to have URL. Okay, and guys here we will use some regular expression. So new regex when I will call this function, so we will get more clarity. But as of now, just create this function, okay? And I will also explain you while calling this function in your test cases. So I have created two function here. The function assert text, assert URL. Then I'll create another function and keep just giving you some example how to write this function. Okay. Then a async, okay, function, and now assert visible locator, and let me await second await and respect. So if you know the basics, I told you I already covered all the basics. So first you have to watch the basics concept of the playwright, then this all the things will be. So we have a to be visible, okay, to be uh, visible. Okay, so guys, in this video I created one util folder and this will repeat. Okay, so you have to add the assertion, right? So I have given some simple code, simple function to validate this, but you don't know how to use this. Coming session definitely we will use this. So that's all in this session, guys. In the next one, bye bye.